Plural possessives test our understanding of apostrophes. Apostrophes can be used for two reasons. Number one, to indicate position if you're using them along with noun, to indicate contraction if you're using them along with pronoun. If it is a noun ending with an S, a plural noun ending with an S, only an apostrophe can be added to indicate position. For all other nouns, doesn't matter how they end, it is always apostrophe plus S to indicate the position. For pronouns, we add apostrophes to indicate contraction. So when a pronoun, subjective pronoun and a helping verb come together, that time we add apostrophe to combine those two in shorter way. Let's understand the concept of plural possessives using an example from one of the college board mocks. The question says, which choice completes the text so that it conforms to the conventions of standard English? And when we have a look at the answer choices, all the answer choices have apostrophes. It means this question is testing usage of apostrophes. Let's have a look at the text. The text says, inventor John Friedman created a prototype of the first flexible straw by inserting a screw into a paper straw and using dental floss binding the straw tightly around the straw's threads. When the floss and screw were removed, the resulting corrugation in the paper allowed the straw to bend easily over the edge of the glass. Now, we definitely know that the words that go into the blank are screws, threads, but which one? Let's start with first option. First option says screws, threads, where apostrophe is used with both the words. Now, we know that screws possess threads. The screw possesses threads. So apostrophe with screw is correct, but threads don't possess anything. So option A cannot be your answer. So option A we can eliminate. Option B says screws, threads. Now in this case, the apostrophe is used after screws. This indicates we are talking about multiple screws. Remember, if it is a plural noun ending with an S, only an apostrophe is added. But here we know that we are talking about a paper straw and using a screw. So we are talking only about one screw. So screws, threads, plural screws is not correct. So option B also can be crossed out. Option C, screws, threads, where apostrophe is used before S for screws, and threads doesn't have any apostrophe. So C makes sense. We can hold on to C. Let's look at option D. So option D we can cross out the same way as we did for A, because threads don't possess anything. So the right answer here has to be option C, screws, threads with an apostrophe for screw. Okay, so most important thing here to understand is where which word goes with the apostrophe, and sometimes you don't even need to use apostrophe. So make sure you understand when to use and when not to use the apostrophe.